on! Rainy day. Yay! The rain has stopped! Aiden, you're going to come to the birthday party tomorrow, right? Of course, I'll be there. Mom, the rain stopped, so can I go to Lucas's house? Yeah, but take an umbrella just in case. Okay.
It looks like Aiden's going out in slippers.
Boo, boo. Aiden, slippers are slippery in the rain.
Sandals are not good enough? What should I wear? How about daddy's shoes? These are too big. Sneakers? Nah, this is my favorite sneakers and I won't let it get wet. Alright, I'll wear the boots. Mom, I'll be back!
Don't know when it's going to rain again during the rainy season.
I think we'd better follow Aiden. Come on.
Yup.
Wow, this is a toy heaven! Can I have this? Lucas would be surprised to see this, wouldn't he? Jeez, what is this? Oops, I'm late.
After the rain, the roads are slippery and there are many puddles, so we really have to be careful.
Darn, I'm going to be late. That's right, I can walk across the construction site.
Gosh, what if the construction materials fall into the construction site?
Ouch! What? Who is it? Whoa! That was close. I don't think the construction site is right. Then... Nah. The muddy water may splash, so I'll take this way. What is this? Thunder as well? What should I do? Darn, whatever. What should I do? Yeah, I'd better find shelter there. It's quiet now, isn't it? I'd better hurry. That's Lucas's house! Ah!
Oh my! Aiden has fallen into a manhole!
Let's transform into safety keepers.
Yep.
Here, boink. There, boink. Here, there, boink, boink. So calm down.
Safety keeper? Oh yeah! Please get me out of here!
Okay, I'll throw something that you can hold on to as you climb.
I'll look around. This is too short. This is too short too. Not this one. Great. This rope would be perfect. Doggy!
Okay. Aiden, try to hold this.
Okay.
Yo-ho! Yo-ho! Yo-ho!
I made it! Safety keepers, thank you. If it weren't for you guys, I would have been trapped inside the manhole. Wouldn't have made it to the birthday party, too. Ugh.
Aiden, there was still a way for you to escape.
Really?
Kato will show you how. Kato?
Me? Okay. Look carefully. With the back and hips against the wall, place both hands on the wall, under the hips, then place both feet on the opposite wall, then position yourself while pushing the wall. Place one foot towards the hip and move it above the hips. When resting, stretch both legs and then repeat. Yo-ho! Yo-ho! How's that? Do you understand?
Wow, didn't know there was such a way. Aiden! Aiden! Lucas! Lucas! What happened? I was worried sick because you didn't come. You were worried? Lucas, happy birthday! A gift? Thanks, Aiden. Surprise, weren't you? Aiden, you!
How could he cry and smile at the same time?